This is the booze.
That's the book. Sign this one. I don't need to sign that one. Do I? I gotta keep that. Okay. And you're gonna keep that. Okay.
That's all your stuff? Did he take your money? Ready to go? Put your glasses on, put your earphones on. Let's go. Oh, he didn't give you anything.
Oh, I missed that one.
Who's doing what?
Good.
Ready to fire.
Thanks.
I want to see you guys with yours. I
Hmm?
want to see you guys with yours.
That's crazy.
What did you?
Flex your knees. What I'm showing you is a tactical entry stance.
Yep.
All right? It's a walking stance. That's why you point your toes where you're going. Right here, right hand, left hand. Left hand in, left thumb over the right thumb, into your chest. I want you to push out. Left elbow goes in and down. Right arm goes out almost straight, but not quite. Close your left eye. Look through your right eye. Put the front bead on top of the back bead. Put the front bead on the X. Pull the trigger. Don't bend your wrist. Your right wrist stays locked. Ready to go?
Ready to go.
Your weapon's hot. It's ready to fire. No, you will cut yourself. Left thumb over the right thumb.
Like that?
Just like that. Ready to go?
Yep.
Fire. Too high. Bring it down a little bit. Too low. Bring it up. Stay in that 9 ring. Knock him out. Shoot a little low. Lean forward. Don't lean back. Take your time. Up, come straight up. Come on, don't bend that wrist. There you go, stay there. You're out. Exchange your magazine. Nope, put it back in your right hand. Press this button. There you go. Grab your other magazine out of the basket. Insert your magazine. There you go. You're ready to fire.
Knock it back?
You're ready to fire. Left thumb, left thumb, left thumb. There you go.
There you go.
Wrap your hand all the way around it. There you go. Do it. Bring it up, dude. Lean forward at the waist. Up. There you go. Nice. Nice. Stay there. You're out.
Yep.
Close quarters. Just like I told your friends. Left foot forward, right foot back. Flex those knees, man. Lean forward. Right hand. Left hand. Into your shoulder. Elbows down.
It's down.
Rest your cheek on the stock. Lean forward. Fire.
Got it.
The reason you're standing like this is so you can walk, but you won't be doing any walking, all right?
All right.
Here. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Nice small baby steps. Knock out your target. Kill him. Ready to go?
I'm ready. Let's kill something.
Left foot forward, right foot back. Flex your knees. Lean forward. Elbow down. There you go. Ready to go?
Yep.
Fire.
That's nuts, man.
All right. Let's roll. Take your time.
I can't.
All right, be careful. Take your time.
Get this on tape, Sean.
Yeah, I got it. Oh shit. Man, he just killed the chest.
Good.
Headshot.
You shoot it down, you pick it up.
When what?
If you shoot it down, you pick it up. Go. Give me that paper, you hurt
That was nuts, man. Holy shit.
Thanks, Tim.